In today's video, I will teach you how to create your own graphics like a pro using PicMonkey. Let's get started. To create your own graphics that you can also use on different designs, first, you need to start with a canvas of your preferred size. To do this, go to PicMonkey's homepage, click the Edit New Image button, and select Blank Canvas. This will open up PicMonkey's Canvas Presets library, which contains a wide variety of canvas size presets for every social media and print. You can also input your own custom width and height at the upper right corner of the panel if you have a specific size in mind. Now, simply click the Make It button to open your blank canvas in the editor. Once your canvas is open, it's time to make your own custom graphics. First, go to the sidebar, open the Graphics tab, and browse through PicMonkey's neatly categorized graphics elements. But if you would like to narrow down your choices, simply type in the keyword related to the graphics element that you would like to find. To customize your graphics, simply select the graphics element that you wish to edit, and a new set of editing tools will appear in the sidebar. Here, you have the option to change the color of the element and even turn it into gradient. You also have the option to add shadows and outline and fill your graphics element with an image. With the eraser option, you can also delete certain parts of your graphics. If you're planning on combining multiple graphics elements to make your own, especially if you're making a monogram or logo, make sure that the layers are arranged accordingly. To manage your layers, go to the Layers panel at the right side of the editor, and if the panel is not showing, simply go to the lower right side of the editor and click on the stack icon to open the Layers panel. Now, here are the layers that we have on the canvas. Take note that the top layers are going to be at the foreground of your design. When you add an element, it will initially appear on top of every layer. So if you wish to keep your newly added element in the background or somewhere in the middle, you can simply drag it down and decide which place to put it. Now, the bottommost layers are going to be at the background of your design. Now, before you save your design, make sure that it has a transparent background so that you can add it to different designs. To do this, go to the sidebar, go to the background color, and under the color spectrum, enable the transparent option. Now, make sure to save your image in PNG format. Now you can add your own custom graphics to different designs. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.